Hey guys, it's me, Chrissy Teigen. We're cooking up something special. Welcome to my Glow Kitchen. Let's start with our Becca Glow Souffle. Eyeshadow on top. My favorite color, cinnamon churro. Look at this color. It's creamy, it's buttery, it's delicious. That's a good color. A little surprise underneath. It's a cinnamon bun souffle. Look at that marshmallowy texture. Oh. Our next ingredient is a whipped liquid lip. Look at that. Oh, yummy, yummy. It looks like fabulous red velvet. Let's try it. Oh, mama like. For the grand finale, it's our brand new glow powder. Ooh, cinnamon glow on the cheeks, collarbone. Looks pretty. I think you're gonna love this recipe.